Well, welcome. I'm Captain Simon Osmond from Fire Safe Kiwi, and it's my job today to show you how to hook up the fire safety simulator. So initially what we can do is, using the quick coupling on the gas, take off the protective cover and we hold back the detent ring and plug it in. Then what we're going to do is take off the protective covers for the electrical connections, as you'll see with the two plastic cups. And in the box down here we have the cable, the power cable, which is run out to 8 metres, so you can go quite some distance. That hooks up here on the simulator itself. There's a little detent in the plug, so you just got to turn it until you get it in, and then gently just lock it in with a locking nut. And I'll go off screen in a second, but this is going back to our power supply. And then we have our controller, and the controller is set up with a pendant, and as you'll see with the pendant here, we've got the dead man switch, which is the red knob. To operate this, we twist it and that activates it, and if you wish to shut down the simulator in an emergency or to control one of the trainees, basically you just push it. That isolates the two LPG solenoids and the power to the simulator. The white button here is the instantaneous button for operating the simulator, the kitchen stovetop simulator. By depressing this button down, what it does is it activates the solenoid, and when you release it, it de-energises the solenoid, which is a lock-off valve, and that allows the LPG to stay out of the circuit. Likewise, the black button, that controls the burn pan simulator, and similar, when you push it down, it activates the solenoid, which lets LPG vapours through to the simulator. Release it and it isolates the LPG vapours. So the hook is pendant up. Basically what we do is we use the cannon plug that goes into a left receptacle here on the simulator, and like the previous, it's got a detent. We screw that up, and you'll see now we've got our power, which is indicated with the red heat shield. We've got our gas supply with a quick release coupling, and we have our controller. So that's basically how the unit's set up, and to operate it, like I mentioned before, what we do is we can turn the power on by activating the dead man switch, and then operating the white button, which operates the kitchen pot stove simulator, or if we activate the black switch momentarily, that activates the burn pan tray, which I'll show you in the next video. So I hope that's nice and clear. So if you have any questions, you can get contact with me at Simon at Rural Fire, so rural-fire.com, or 06 856 6091. Thanks for listening.